I'm here in my bedroom, as you can see, and I'm trying not to talk very loud because, I don't know, but, it was just, like, raining so hard a second ago. It's not even texting me, but it was literally just raining so hard a second ago. It's still, like, sprinkling right now. Can't really see outside on me. I cannot move or else, because, like, my computer's literally, like, dead right now, so I have it connected right here. But still, let me... So, can you tell it was raining just a second ago? It was raining. It's a little better. And, yeah. What time is it? It's 5:28 here in New York time. I'm actually down in Georgia, not in New York, but what's the difference? At the same time. Oh, my eye hurts. Yes, and I am wearing glasses. Actually, I've been wearing glasses for a long time, I just never wear them. Yeah, and it stopped raining. What else? Okay then, what kind of phone do you have? I have Samsung Fight 2 with AT&T. And then it like that. And the Fight 1, I have that. Well, it's not called the Fight 1, but it's the second version of this phone. The huge difference is sides up. It's on camera. Sides up. And side down. Doesn't slide like this. And also another difference is, sorry, but I've actually have a lot of acne on my face. I've actually now noticed I have a lisp. So whenever I say my S's, I kind of do a little extra. So the this one's actually thinner than this one, I think, because they made it skinnier, so they had to fit. They made it, you can't really tell, but they made it skinnier. They made it skinnier, yeah. And yeah, that's all I have to say. And I now noticed I made my channel in July, but I didn't post my first video until I think August. I don't know. I think it was August. So cold. Even though it's like summer, it's like September 5th, yeah, it's Labor Day. Just check my phone. Okay, I'm back. Just check my phone. I've only had this for like 3 weeks and it's already demented. Actually 4 weeks. Yeah, I got it. August 7th. Yeah. No. Just fell backwards. Yeah. Nothing to do. Let me clean my face. Why am I doing stuff today that I never do? I don't know. Found a box. iPad 2. 32GB. 3G. And yeah, that's all I have to say. It's been 6 minutes. Goodbye. Bye, peasants. Eat the female.